Hey everybody, so you saw me share my nighttime routine for my wash and go, and I told you that I typically do the same process for all of my styles, whether it's a rod set or a braid out, flat twist out. And so this is a perm rod set. This is day 2. And so I'm going to show you how my hair looks when I follow the same process that I use for my wash and go nighttime routine. Fingers crossed. Here we go. So do y'all see this? My hair still looks really good. My curls are intact. I did not add any additional product or anything like that. So the same process that I follow for my wash and go, I can follow for my other styles as well. And again, just 3 ponytails, sleep on a satin pillowcase, wake up, remove your ponytail holder, and then fluff the roots with your pick and style as desired. And I still have a nice elongated look. So yeah, this works perfect for my other styles. Hopefully this was helpful for you. As always, love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.